So as we move forward, do we have any citizens who are here today who would like to make comments about anything on our open agenda or our consent agenda? Yes. If you would state your name and the particular item you want to address, and if we remind you we have 3 minutes to do this, if you would, please.
Okay. My name is LaDon Johnson. I'm the founder of the Good Brothers and Sisters of Montgomery County. Just more of pretty much a comment and some remarks. Yes, sorry about that. LaDon Johnson again of the Good Brothers and Sisters of Montgomery County. Just a little short story for you guys. My mom gave me away when I was 2 years old in this county. I still haven't met my dad to this day. I stayed in the Salvation Army with a man who I thought was my father until I turned 11 years old. And come to find out he was an abusive drunk. We stayed in the car where old apple trees used to be at for 2 weeks until we moved into the Salvation Army. Okay, I grew up in this county. I've seen drugs being sold, prostitution. That's the things I woke up to every morning. You know, I got in trouble in 2006 for a petty drug charge. I was placed on 10 years deferred probation, which I completed from 2006 to 2016. That 10 years was the worst 10 years of my life. Finding employment, finding a job, finding housing for my family. Can't get a gun right, can't get a gun license because of my record. I said to say this, sir. You are in a position, or a lot of people are looking at you, sir. And it makes me sad and angry at the same time seeing you sit there in this position because the mistakes you've made. You need to pay for your mistakes, sir. It's a lot of people in this community who's paying for their mistakes, and it's hard. It's hard to make one mistake in this county and feel like you still have a chance. It was tough. And I shouldn't be angry at you, sir, because we all do make mistakes. But this is white privilege at its finest. This is what we're talking about. How you can be white in Montgomery County and get away with certain things that other people can't get away with. What examples are we really setting for our community? What examples are we setting for the white kids, the black kids, the Hispanic kids? What are we really setting? That you can be in a certain position and you don't have to pay for your crimes or pay for your mistakes? That's not a good look. Y'all probably sleep well at night. I get messages from ladies in the community, single mothers who are going through things, who are having trouble with Christmas, who have trouble with Thanksgiving. Thank goodness for some of the good people in the county who have been helping me out with this. We've taken care of over 60 plus kids for Christmas, working on 100. And this is all by me. This is just me posting things, putting it out there, trying to be the best person I can be for the community, for the county. I know I made my mistakes and I paid for those mistakes and I'm still fighting every day to get rid of that. Sir, with all due respect, sir, it upsets me to see you sitting here, to get paid. I lost my job. I lost my housing. I lost everything and had to rebuild back up again, day by day. With all due respect, sir, and the courts, this is pissing me off and this upsets me. Please hold your brother accountable for the mistakes, and it's time. We need to set better examples for the community. We need to let people know in the community that, hey, we are a community as a whole. If you do something, you must pay for it. So this is white privilege at its finest again. And that's all I need to say. Thank you.
Don, we appreciate you coming in. Thank you very much. All right, are there any other citizens who would like to make a comment here today? All right, if there are none, let's move forward.